Ano? Ay, akala ko akala ko lasing.
Makasag na ako!
Ay, nagbasag na. Akala ko lasing. Meron lang palang diferensya. Alis na po tayo, baka madami pa tayo.
You better watch out, you better not die, you better not crash, I'm telling you why. Cause you told your wife you're at work.
Grabe, susan ka na. Akala namin kung anong nangyari. Yan na pala. Ay, kawawa naman. Well, anyways, balik tayo sa trabaho.